whatever you have that can help Brother Africa's family, we are urging you to give that. What does that entail? The GoFund drive is not just for the burial. The burial, the body is going to be shipped back to Cameroon. In Cameroon, they don't have big graveyards, grave sites. They bury their dead or their souls near the family. So the body is going home. Additionally, we're attempting to raise monies for a legal fight. The family in the community is not going to lay down. The family in the community is not going to run away like a thief in the night. They saw what we all saw, what 60 million viewers saw. Brother Africa being murdered right here on this street. And we are preparing for the fight. So we're talking about potentially April 25th, but we need to get prepared for April 25th. Look online, go to GoFundMe. We'll probably do more of these memorial retreats gathering on the street in advance. My brother is shy. Come on up and don't be shy. Say one word.
Well, I've never did this before, but I want to thank everybody who's here. And I'm going to be brave because my English is not that good. We had a meeting last night with the brother right here. And there's a lot going on. We need a lot of money. We need a lot of help. We need your presence. We need everything. Well, he said everything already. I'm not going to repeat myself. We need help. So from next week, I don't know when this is going to take place next week. We would like to, everybody who's going to come here with a penny, $1, whatever you can to help. Because we have to send his body back home. And this is like $20,000 to $25,000. The mother and the sister, they live in Boston. They don't have that money. So we try with all the community, as I see here, it's not about Cameroon, it's not about Africa, it's not about white, it's about human being. I see Chinese, I see Indian, I see white, I see black, I see yellow, blue, everybody's here. And this is wonderful. I wish the family can be here to see this, because it's wonderful. So please, if you can help to take this man's body back home, everybody gonna appreciate it. That's all I have to say. Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. So we're not gonna hold ourselves here all day, y'all. I think folks gotta go and digest this. Go digest the stories. Get on social media. Hashtag Can't Kill Africa. Hashtag Black Lives Matter. Hashtags Ain't No Stopping Us Now. Right? Hashtag Shout Out for Africa. It is time for us to continue to do what we continue to do. We are the people from the day before yesterday, and the day after tomorrow. I'm going to say that again. We are the people from the day before yesterday and the day after tomorrow. We have always been here. They have always tried to get rid of us, but we always emerge. Can everybody raise their hands up? It is our duty to fight. It is our duty to win. I can't hear y'all. It is our duty to fight. It is our duty to win. It is our duty to fight. It is our duty to win. I'm going to do one more thing. Grab the hand of the person next to you. Grab the hand.